Drew Baez in the quarterfinals. Kaya ito ang magiging unang laban dito sa Southeast Asian Games. Well, John Mindoro nakapula. Bui naman nakaasul. Handa na tayo sa laban. Mindoro, the biggest challenge for him is how to get started off early. Dahil syempre sanay sa professional na mga laban, sanay na humahaba, sanay na may posibleng humaba yung laban, but we know that he finishes opponents off quickly kahit na po sa professional ranks. Karamihan hindi talaga nagtatagal sa lakas ng suntok itong si Mindoro as he is eager to throw heavy leather at the start of this match. Mindoro resets, but I think he already got the attention itong si Bui. Look for that overhand right. May papatama nitong si Weljon. The three-punch combination. Trying to gauge the distance right now, Mindoro. Might be warned for lowering his head a little bit. Got a little bit careless on the entry. Si Bui naman sumusuntok mula sa labas, trying to establish his jab. But Mindoro will throw all of his punches with mean intentions. Lahat may bigat. Nahuli niya pa doon ang napapasok. Itong si Bui. Mindoro with a clean 1-2. Forcing Bui to hold. You can hear the reaction of the crowd. Dahil sa tunog pa lang, sa lutong pa lang po ng mga patama, alam mong malakas talaga ang bitaw ni Mindoro even if he's not connecting flush just yet. But one good punch could be the end of this match in favor of Mindoro. Ngayon, nanguutak itong Vietnam. Makikipagpalitan ng konti tapos yayakap para hindi magkaroon ng kahit anong pagkakataon makabitaw ng suntok sa loob itong si Mindoro. And that will be the end of the first
Round 2.
Mindoro lands a wicked right, getting the attention of Bui. Ngayon, tumidiin na itong si Weljon, kaya humahawak na lang itong si Bui, hanging on for dear life dahil nararamdaman niya yung lakas ng suntok ni Weljon. Mindoro looking for the next opportunity to find an opening. Sweeping right, connected by the Vietnamese boxer. And syempre may mga pagkakaiba between amateur boxing and professional boxing. Pero syempre pinagtrabahuhan naman yan ni Mindoro at ng buong koponan ng ABAP. They have a lot of able coaches helping them out. Mindoro gets tagged with a left. Nagsalubungan silang dalawa. Nakabuo ng kumpiyansa. Itong Vietnamese boxer. Mindoro marching forward. Trying to corner itong si Bui. Bui trying to outsmart Mindoro, trying to pick his spots. Hindi siya makakalaban sa paramihan, so he's trying to land the cleanest punches in this second round. Nagbago yung diskarte on the back foot. Muntik na abutan ng buong buo kung sa kaliwang yon. Ito si Bui. Mindoro landing a right overhand. Bui trying to time his punches on the outside. Alam niyang agresibo itong si Mindoro. Alam niyang pasugod, kaya naghahanap lang siya ng paisa-isa na ganti. Sinusubukan niyang unahan. And now he's just staying away, moving from side to side, establishing his distance. The second round could be a lot closer than the first. Bui Puktong made adjustments in that second round. At kita mong natamaan niya rin ang mga solid na suntok. Itong si Weljon Mindoro, may konting galos sa bandang kanang mata itong si Weljon. So this fight might be up for grabs for both boxers. Kaya tignan natin kung sino ang magwawagi dito sa third round. Good punch from Bui. Again, his timing. Yun yung malaking difference, yun yung kanyang malaking bentahe. Nauunahan niya ng mga suntok itong si Weljon. But still a lot of time remaining here in this third round. Naghihintay lang itong si Bui. Tapos pagpasugod si Weljon, nakakabitaw ng kanyang mga kombinasyon. First round was a clear one for Mindoro. The second one, less so. So it might be even. Heading into this final round, 2 minutes remaining. Kailangan bumiin at bumitaw ng mas marami itong si Mindoro. Again, yung game plan ginagamit itong si Bui. Pag delikado na yung pwestuhan, yung mayakap siya para hindi makapag-kombinasyon si Mindoro, who will now be marching forward. A warning here for holding, but again, that's part of the game plan for Bui. In his opinion, ganyan niya pwedeng limitahan ang pagiging effective nitong si Mindoro. Combination falls a little bit short. Oh, good hook. Good hook for Weljon. Will that start a late surge for Mindoro here in this match? "45 seconds remaining. This could be tight in the scorecards. Popping the jab for the Vietnamese boxer, 30 seconds. This third round can still be claimed. Mindoro, does he have one last flurry remaining? Mula kay Mindoro. Vietnam thinking that they did enough to win this contest.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner by unanimous decision in the